Eco Clean Northwest out here at beautiful Mercer Island. My name is James.
My name is Chris.
And we're here today doing a roof wash, gutter cleaning, house wash, and some pressure washing around this beautiful home. We decided to take advantage of this beautiful day and kind of show you some of our processes of each of these services. How we remove the moss, how we mitigate and control the chemical and soap runoffs in the area, and how we make sure everything is in good condition by the time we leave. So stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss our live footage and our 50/50s. Again. So here in this corner, due to a lot of tree overhang, we get a lot of moss. So our method, since we don't like to pressure wash because that degrades the roof and get granule moss, we use a stiff brush and literally start brushing off the moss in these areas as much as we can without going too far. And then we use our soft wash process and let our chemicals and soaps do all of the hard work. And we will rinse in some areas like this where there's a lot of dirt, but stay tuned and look at the finished product of this area. What's up everybody, it's James
and Chris.
Eco Clean Northwest. We're actually here at the Mercer Island location on day 2. We had a pump failure yesterday, but we got that sorted out and got back on site to finish the job. So like we said yesterday, we did the roof wash, house wash, and a lot of pressure washing on these concrete walkways and these driveways. You guys will see montage clips of all of these services that we've done, and hopefully you stay tuned for more of the jobs that we post and more videos that we make.